A lot of times people have a difficult time choosing what type of flowers they should use for their wedding. In this video series, I'm going to share with you step by step how to use similar flower choice to design a fabulous wedding. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Donald Yim AIFD. I have been working in the fall industry for 30 years as a designer. I love fall design. If you are passionate about fall design like me, you come to the right place. In here, we will share with you how to fall design videos, also tips and trick tutorials. If you are new here, consider subscribing. I know many of you having a hard time deciding how many quantity and what type of flowers you should purchase for the wedding. I know what you're thinking. You probably think you need to buy all kinds of flowers to make a fabulous wedding. But in my opinion, you should pick few key flowers, for example like roses, hydrangea or lily, and then including them throughout the whole wedding so all the arrangement will match and have the cohesive look. If you are doing this, it is easier to control your budget because you don't need to running around trying to get all those different flowers. I'm going to break down this process in a 5-part series. We will show you how to use similar flower choice to make an awesome wedding. Part 1. We are going to show you how to make a beautiful small budget arrangement in 10 minutes. Part 2 is going to cover how to make a medium-sized garden-style table arrangement. Part 3 is going to be a step-by-step tutorial for a luxury wedding bouquet. Part 4, we are going to go over how to make a larger table center with a pedestal. And Part 5, this is my favorite, we are going to share with you how to make a wedding wreath. It can hang it on your front door or your church. This is super sweet and romantic. Don't miss it. We have a lot of things to cover. Let's move on to the first video.